This G2 high-temperature brake caliper paint kit delivers a hard epoxy coating that shrugs off extreme heat from repeated braking without softening or peeling. The cured finish is impressively resistant to road grime, salt, and harsh brake fluids, so the calipers stay cleaner and keep their color much longer than with ordinary spray paints. Its high-gloss white shade gives the calipers a crisp, custom look that really stands out behind open wheels while still appearing factory neat. Because the paint is brushed on rather than sprayed, it goes on thick, levels well, and is far less likely to chip or flake once it fully cures. The kit is thoughtfully put together with cleaner, reactor, paint, brush, and clear instructions, making it realistic for a careful do-it-yourself installer to achieve professional-looking results. Coverage is generous enough for 4-disc brake calipers or a pair of drums, so a single kit can transform the appearance of an entire vehicle's braking hardware.